The 15-year-old charged in connection with the killing of a 6-year-old boy in Westmoreland made his first court appearance at the Westmoreland Family Court today. He was remanded in custody and is to return to court on July 23rd. The teen's father is this evening rejecting claims of poor parenting. He spoke with journalists outside the courthouse this morning. The father of the 15-year-old accused says he learned of the shooting when he arrived home from work on the fateful day.
And I was so devastated and breakdown, panic, Tony, that time I said, no man, that can't happen. I say, all the rain, I walk up and down the rain, I say, lick my brain. And I said, you know, say, something like that happened.
He says his son was visiting, as he would normally do on some weekends, to collect his allowance. The man, who is a farmer, says the teen resides in Hanover, where his mother lives.
I call him when if you come down for your money. Because I work out for a while and I work in Dallas and I have to go up on the farm very early, so I don't stay down here.
The incident happened in the family yard on Dowling Street in Savlamar, Westmoreland. There have been conflicting reports about what led to the deadly shooting. But the teen's father says he had a good relationship with the now deceased 6-year-old Jadane Miller.
Okay, so when I come down at weekend time, I will ask him and say, oh, Jadane, go buy this over shop for me. And he will go and buy it for me. And I come and I give him $100 or $50. That's how much we have a good relationship, me and the youth, and everybody.
He says he hasn't spoken with his son since he's been charged. The boy turned himself in after fleeing the crime scene. The police have yet to find the illegal gun used in the deadly shooting.